Nutrition is an extremely important variable for fixing pectus because without adequate nutrition, you are not going to be able to build a lean muscular physique, which is like the cornerstone of fixing pectus without surgery. Nutrition can be complex, so I've really just broken it down into the most important elements. These are calories. And so this is the single most important element of your nutrition, and it's making sure that you are eating enough calories to build muscle. And then that brings me to the next point, which is the protein intake. That's also a very, very important element of this. A high protein intake is key for building muscle. And then we also really want to focus on with our diet is eating whole, unprocessed foods. Now, there is two approaches with your nutrition strategy. One is actually tracking your food using an app called MyFitnessPal. Within my membership site, I have a video showing you how to set up MyFitnessPal, how to use it, some tips and tricks for it. It's a really good tool, and I would personally encourage that you all do it for a couple weeks to 6 months. It's going to teach you a lot about your food. It's going to help you optimize this transformation. When I started tracking my food with MyFitnessPal, when I started my journey, that's when my results really accelerated. The other option, if it's too much hard work for you, you don't want to weigh your food and track it in an app, is to just eat intuitively. So let's say you're really skinny and you're trying to gain weight and muscle, you need to eat a lot of protein, a lot of whole foods. You could just simply focus on that and then weigh yourself, and if the scale is not going up, then it's an indicator that you need to eat more. Or the other approach, if you're on the other end of the spectrum where you have excess body fat and we're trying to trim down, then the focus would be on eating less and eating until you're satisfied, and eating a really high protein, whole food only diet. Take your time with nutrition. This is a marathon, not a sprint. It can be overwhelming changing your nutritional habits, so take your time. If you really want to build an awesome body, it is a long process, so there's no need to rush this. And soon enough, it'll be a routine for you to eat well, eat enough protein, eat the amount of calories you need, and you'll be making progress really fast.